What's the meaning of crenellated? Crenellated. Crenellated.
Crenellated. Crenellated. Crenellated refers to a specific type of architectural or military fortification characterized by alternating high and low sections along the top edge of a wall. These raised sections are called crenelles, and the gaps between them are known as merlons. This design provides protection for defenders while allowing them to shoot arrows or fire weapons through the gaps. The resulting effect is a distinctive serrated appearance along the top of the wall. Crenellations were popular in medieval times and can still be seen on many ancient castles and defensive structures.